I couldn't stand it. Parts or no parts, I had to put that thing back together. So I got desperate. I started tearing apart different odometers and picking the best digits and seeing what I had. It's kind of interesting. I did find out that these Monte Carlos, the numbers are different, but the digits are the same except for on the tenths. The tenths of a mile are like that, and they have this type of gear, whereas 63 and 4 has this, and its tenths of a mile is made differently to where it activates. But each one of them has these little aluminum keepers with the little gear that runs around inside of these gears. It's a mess putting all that together, but I got it, I think. Real time here. Let's see if this thing works. What tedious work. Drives me crazy. I had to use the 57 to jump this thing off. It had been sitting so long. Since I've driven it some with the other odometer locked up, when I put this one together, I just went ahead and put it together at 38,770. And these numbers aren't perfect, but they're what I had. I started looking around online. Oh, and you could get those decals, but this thing was so far torn apart, I couldn't stand the thought of leaving it apart that long. Notice my code light being on.